This is Joshua.
Hello everyone, this is Eric from Pinoy Mamba. This is a contest winnings from the very famous Matt Maynard. There you go. We're gonna open it. Thank you so much, buddy. Winning second place on this contest. Yep, can't find the scissors still, so doing this manually. Joshua's gonna try to find it while we're ready. You saw it finally. Thank you so much. After days, you know, while I opened Adam's package, after days of not finding it, he actually knows where it is. So here we go. Oh, oops. Let's see the note first. Eric Joshua, congrats to the winning. Take care, enjoy. Matt Maynard, MKix75. Josh, do the honors. Our YouTube treasure chest. Thank you so much. As you can see, like, there's so many YouTubers as we collect. We put them in the YouTube treasure chest. That's how many we actually received care packages too. So here we go. Fab Mellow. This is also the what version?
Select 1213.
And it is the Prism.
This?
Look at that. Prism Fab Mellow Autograph.
I can't see in this angle.
Number 25 out of 199. Just this one is already enough. Way enough. And here we go.
There you go.
We have
Darren Williams, stars on the NBA.
This is the first one, 2009 Prestige.
Yeah.
Yep, it's a game use
This is
jersey
when
card.
Panini started.
It's 207 out of 250. Darren Williams.
When they got their license of NBA.
Yep. Ooh, Dirk Nowitzki, Bowman Relics.
The All-Star.
Yep, love Dirk Nowitzki. Is always one of our favorite.
I think the hardest he does is the fadeaway backstep.
Oh, that's the.
That's Dirk Nowitzki.
Fadeaway. Yep.
I think no one will
The
ever accomplish that.
It's another Gerald Anderson numbered card insert. This is from
Prestige. This year.
14-15.
199.
It's this year's. This is awesome.
Tyson.
Another one.
Ooh.
69 of the Tyson Chandler.
Okay.
Oh, Terrence Jones.
5 out of 10. Oh, he's on UK,
5
right?
out of, yeah, University of Kentucky. This is the gold bone shot.
Nice.
Wow.
Got another one, but it's 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. Eric Green. Wow. These are RCs limited. So thank you so much, Matt. MKix75. You guys already know. The coolest guy. One of the coolest guy here. Thank you so much. Peace. You know it.